Hello folks, today is November 1st 2024 and we're in my home county of Scott County, Virginia, and I wanted to show you something up here. Like I say, this is no comparison at all to some other damages I've seen, but this is what happens when a hurricane hits in the mountains. Now, a lot of cleanup in the roadways done been done, but see all those trees over there? This is just as far as I can see right here. It's been topped, wind blowed out. A lot of them, lots and lots just uprooted. Just, you can tell how the wind shear just came in and went up the hill. It's unreal, and we've been driving. It's right in this area. There's about 2 miles worth of it right now. Like I say, the National Park Service and different things, because this is in the Jefferson National Forest. It's in a section of our county called High Knob. It's a lot of damage. Y'all have a good one.